Gone are the days when a basement was used primarily for storage of broken or unwanted furniture, tools, etc. With a proper makeover, a space downstairs can turn into a cozy home office, billiard room, or home gym. Basements remodeling gathers pace. Turning a forgotten space into a living area upvalues a house in the market and provides an additional room you might have been dreaming about. How do I start remodeling a basement? Before diving into renovations and purchasing supplies, spend some time preparing and planning. Visualize a new area, and think of interior elements, colors, and desired functionality. Scroll through online design magazines for inspiration and trends and save options you like to show to a contractor. 5 Basement Remodeling Steps. Step 1. Determine a project scale. Decide on the purpose of the space, whether you wish to make an extra bedroom, gym, or entertainment room. Discuss plans with pros and set your priorities within the available budget. At this stage, you should declutter the basement, a good chance to get rid of broken items that were stored for no reason. Ensure there are no moisture issues. Musty air is a common issue for basements. Step 2. Scheduling and installation. The plans are finalized, and a contractor takes care of the permits. All materials are selected: flooring, paints, cabinetry. At this stage, a team will frame the space up, including plumbing and wiring, window installation. Step 3. Insulation and flooring. Floor and wall insulation, floor installation. Dry walls and ceiling. Step 4. Finishing. Painting walls, lighting, decor elements. Step 5. Final cleanup and inspection. Once all debris is removed and the final inspection is completed, throw a party. Celebrate renovations with your family and friends. How much does it cost to finish a basement? Basement transformation expands square footage, adds functionality and personality, and increases the overall market value of the home. The actual cost to finish a basement depends on the scope of work you plan and the quality of materials. If you consider changing flooring, painting, and finishing, you'd better be ready to pay from $2,500 to $8,000. If you opt for a full remodel including plumbing and electrical works that require permits, the costs fall into the $6,500 to $19,000 bracket. For illustration, we can break down expenses to provide a clear idea of typical costs for a specific work type. Advantages of hiring a remodel contractor. Experience. Licensed contractors are fully qualified and equipped to provide remodeling services. Insurance. Legit contractors are insured. Efficiency. Experienced contractors organize the work efficiently. They develop a detailed work plan to ensure your stress-free experience. Safety. Pros are specially trained and equipped with dedicated tools and protective gear for the safe execution of work. Compliance with local regulations. At Groisman Construction, we take care of projects from A to Z, from initial estimation and getting required permits to cleanup and final inspection. However, the key advantage of hiring pros is peace of mind. You shouldn't split between daily routine and repairs. You just follow the project's progress and enjoy seeing a basement shaped into a functional living space. To get a free quote for a basement remodeling project, contact Groisman Construction today and have all your questions answered.